Hi guys. Hi guys. Hello guys. So today we're streaming the NFT live. So we're streaming the NFT live today. So let's see what's happening. I'll do a review of the markets and we're streaming the NFT live today. Hi guys, so we're streaming live the NFT just joining me. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be awesome today. So I'm gonna take a review of some of the pairs and what's happening in the market currently. So I have here gold. Sorry guys, I'm still doing a sound check. It's been a while since I streamed. I'm still doing a sound check. Make sure that the audio is nice. So without wasting time, I'm gonna be giving you my 1 cent on what I think is gonna happen on gold. So let's do a multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's do a multi-time frame analysis on gold, guys. So basically, I am seeing gold So we're taking a look at NFP Live, and right now gold have been in the downtrend, a continuous downtrend for a while now. So I don't know exactly why we're testing this level. Are they ready to actually push up? Which I doubt. I very much doubt that gold actually has the ability to continue up, really. But we'll see how it play out. I am still very bearish on gold, even though it have found support around. Gold have found support on the daily around 1910, but you know that cannot always change. So that particular analysis is not certain. And on the 4 hours, gold is getting close to the moving average. So I don't know if it's going to break the moving average. If it breaks the moving average, then we want to see what's going to happen. Then we'll be looking at a possible reversal from 1927.500. But right now, I'm very bearish on gold, guys. I'm very bearish on gold. I want to see gold continue that downtrend. That downtrend is very strong, so I want to see it continue. So that's what I think on gold. I want to see that downtrend continue. I just think that that downtrend is likely going to continue. So that's what I think. So gold is likely going to continue. That's gold. That particular this thing is going to continue. That downtrend, I am very very positive, is going to continue on gold. Really, I'm actually looking at the possible continuation to the downside, and that's what I'm going to be looking to get a trade. But if it doesn't happen, then I'm not interested. So if gold doesn't continue down, there's a high possibility I might not take any trade. I do not believe that. I do not believe that gold is actually going to continue up. No, I doubt it. I want to see that gold continue down. I want to see it continue down. That's what I think on gold. Maybe hopefully we're gonna see a reversal from 1920, around 1920 resistance area, for a possible shoot to the downside. Hopefully if gold can actually, I'm thinking gold might even hit all the way down to 1896 or even 1893. So let's see, we'll see what happens. It's been a while, I never broadcasted for a long time, but I'm back right now. I'm fully back in the game. So I'm going to be taking a look at gold and Nasdaq, give you my 1 cent on what I think is going to happen on Nasdaq too. So I've marked the levels on gold and I'm waiting to see what's happening. I want to see gold continue that downtrend. That's what I want to see, nothing else. So for Nasdaq have similar behavior like gold. So I will go to the daily to see what's happening on the daily. Okay guys, so I'm gonna see what's happening on the daily. On the daily, we're in a downtrend, guys. We're in a downtrend, and on the 4 hours, we're in the downtrend. On the 4 hours, what are we seeing there? We are also seeing that downtrend continue, but you know there's a strong level around 1500. So 1500 is a strong level that price bounced off from yesterday. So today, you think we're going to break 1500? Maybe we will break 1500 the way I'm seeing it. I'm thinking that it's a high possibility that we might break 1500 and continue down. Nasdaq is actually have similar behavior like gold. So let's see what's happening on the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour, I like what is happening on the 1 hour. There is a new support that is formed here. Yeah, there's a support that is formed here. So there are significant levels that we're looking at right now on Nasdaq. So we're waiting to see what's going to happen. So we want to see Nasdaq fake people out on the upside and continue down, just like gold. So what about Euro USD? Euro USD, I want to see Euro USD. I think I saw something on Euro USD. Euro USD have been on a down trend for a while. Couldn't break above the strong level at 1.09345. So that level is a strong level, and then we've been on this downtrend, but right now it's looking very very strongly bullish right now. So but the 4 hours, what do you think is happening on the 4 hours? On the 4 hours is also consolidating, so it's gonna be like it's gonna be a clear breakout trade really. But what am I thinking? It's setting up for this bullish move. It is setting up for a bullish move. We don't know really. It's in a range. Euro USD is in a range, and we don't know if it's going to break above or below. So that's one thing we don't know. However, there's significant levels that I'm that have I have in mind, like this level that I marked out on 1.09 1.09185. That's one level that I'm looking at. Or that strong level again, if it's going to bounce off from there, maybe possible drop from there. I don't know, but we'll see. But if you break above this high strong level there, that means there's a high possibility that Euro USD is going to find a new high. It's going to find a new high at 1.09764. So that's a strong level again to look at. So the most important thing is knowing the levels. Once it bounces off the levels there, because we don't know if this is going to be a straight move or it's going to be a fake out. So that's one of the things that one of the reasons why I don't usually trade the immediately the news is released. I don't trade at that point. I usually wait for some time. So I usually trade the New York session. But right now I'm not sure I'm going to take any trade. I'm just going to watch what is going to happen. I want to see what's going to happen there. So let's scale it down to the 1 hour. When we scale it down to the 1 hour, we're clearly in a range. So we're clearly in a range, and I'm looking at the high from yesterday to the downside, and then I'm also looking at this high. Sorry, the low from yesterday. I'm looking at the low from yesterday, and then I'm also looking at the high from Monday. So I'm looking at Monday's high, and then let's see which of them is going to bounce out from. So the most important thing is marking out the levels. We're not here to predict the markets. We react accordingly as the market continues to show us its hand. So that's basically what we do. We will find a good move, something we understand. So the one thing I don't do is I don't trade until I understand what is going on. Once I understand what's going on, I can now start looking for trading opportunities. But when I don't understand what's going on, I don't want to trade, guys. I don't want to trade. I do not want to trade once I don't understand what's going on. So my take on gold is that it's going to continue the downtrend. The levels have been marked, and then I'm waiting to see what happens. Okay, guys. So I do not want to predict the market, what's going to happen. No, because when you predict the market, you can make a mistake. You might be right, but it might not be exactly. Let's assume you're anticipating that the market is going to bounce off a particular level. It might go beyond that level and bounce off another level. Sometimes when you predict the market, you're going to be wrong. So most times I just mark the levels and I wait. I allow the market to unfold, and then I want to see what's happening. Then I know what to do. So it's based on what is happening that will determine what I will do. So that is what we're seeing right now. Just wait. But to make it clear, I'm not trading the release of the news immediately. No, I want the market to unfold at least by New York session in the next 1 hour. Before the next 1 hour, I'll surely be able to find myself trading opportunities. Okay. So, but the most important thing is that you know the levels to look out for. You know your levels. Once you know your levels, you don't have a problem. You are likely going to be successful. Once you know the levels to look out for, you are likely going to be successful. So that is it. Guys. So another thing again is patience. You have to be very, very patient. Okay. We have to be very, very patient, and we have to do it correctly. So I look forward to a very great trading day. Today is going to be awesome, right? It's going to be awesome. So we are waiting patiently. So and we'll see what happens. So if you enjoyed this stream, you can join our free Telegram group, my free Telegram channel. Give free signals. I drop free signals there sometimes, educational content and all that sort of stuff. Whatever makes you think. Because I haven't been streaming for a while right now. It's been long since I streamed. It's been so long. So, but hopefully I wanna, you know, start doing what I know how to do again. You know, we're gonna get there. No problem. If you're just joining us, you're welcome to my stream. So today I'm gonna be giving you my 1 cent. Okay, that is NFP. It's beginning to look like it's what I was thinking. The US dollar is gaining strength, so we'll see. But it's too early to say anything. Might even be an uptrend. I'm even thinking that it might be an uptrend. Now, why did I say that? Why I'm saying this is because I'm seeing gold is looking like it's a possibility of it's going bullish. Why did I say that? I've seen this move before. I've seen this move before. I've seen two confirmations. Gold is looking bullish, and Euro USD also is looking bullish. Okay, now Euro USD is now looking very bearish, signifying that there's a high possibility that the USD is gaining strength. Wow. I'm trying to find more confirmations really from the behavior, this time not from just one pair, from the collection of pairs and their behaviors. For Euro USD, is at just retested yesterday's high, but then it created a liquidity area right there. It didn't sweep the liquidity, which is a high possibility that it's likely to go bullish. It didn't sweep the liquidity, setting it up for the real thing when the real thing begins. So there's a high possibility that we might see this move go bullish. Now I'm seeing something like this. That's what I'm thinking. And this is what I'm thinking. Then we might see a reversal. This is gold. So what I'm saying generally is based on the behavior of the USD. And if you look at the currency strength meter, the USD is picking up strength slowly. So there's a high possibility that it might explode. So we'll just deal with two pairs, okay? Two pairs is enough. So I'm very bullish in gold and Nasdaq and Euro USD. Very bullish. There's a high possibility that gold might actually continue down, but we'll see. So this is the range that will determine what will happen. If gold should break below this range, 1909 range, then we sell. But if it doesn't, then we're bullish. Euro USD bullish also. I'm still very bullish. Still very bullish, very bullish. And like I said, it has to meet some criteria before we can decide if we are right or not. So let's see what happens, guys. Okay, let's see what happens, guys. I think it's time. Like I said, it just happened exactly how I predicted it. You can see that right there. Exactly how I predicted it was gonna happen, guys. That's what happened. You see how I predicted every. See exactly how I predicted it. Yeah, that's it. That's cool. Yeah, I saw it coming. They have already lined up that liquidity right there on Euro USD. I was expecting them to smash that liquidity, and that's exactly what they did. Exactly how I predicted it. That was exactly what happened. the same way I expected them to take out that liquidity. Look at that liquidity on Euro USD. I was waiting for them to go after that liquidity, and that's exactly what they did. Look at the liquidity that piling up over there, that trend, all those trend line liquidity there. It's all gone right now. They've taken everybody out. You can see, and look at how. Look at it. Yeah. This is it, guys. I predicted it was going to happen like this, and that's exactly what happened. Yeah, exactly as I said it. There's no way they're going to leave that liquidity, and they've been setting up that liquidity since on Monday, just because of NFP. And look at it, liquidity that have been set for how many days? 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, taken out just in few minutes, in just 1 minute, everything taken out. Got perfectly set up. Everything is taken out. So I saw it coming, and I knew that was going to happen. So that's it. If you're streaming with me, I'm sure you saw that one. I predicted it. They're going to take out those liquidity, and that's exactly what they did. Yeah, they set up. Look at that one in Euro USD, so perfect. Look at it, that liquidity, they've been setting it up since for a very long time. All that liquidity taken out in 1 minute. In 1 minute, everybody was taken out. Look at it. You see it? Everybody is out. Everybody is out right now. So it's going to continue upwards. So the best thing now is to find a good entry and then wait for that pullback, and then because there's a high possibility that it's going to continue upwards, because I don't think Euro USD is done. I think they might even go all the way up to take out everybody all the way to 1.09385. I don't know, but I want to find the reason why this particular level is very, very significant. This level on 1.09179 is very significant, is because that's a strong level that I've been holding for. In fact, it's the weekly high. It's the high of the week. So it's a very significant level, right? It's a very significant level. So I knew that level would be a significant level. But if they break above it, then just know that it's game over. They're likely going to continue up. But if they don't break above it, just know that we're going to get a reversal from that particular level. Or if we don't get a reversal from that level within this range, 1.09279, we're going to see a reversal. However, if I want to take a trade like this, I'm going to wait until the beginning of the new hour to find trading opportunities. So this is my style of trading. That's my style of trading, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this particular analysis. It was perfect. It was awesome. Exactly the way I predicted, the way I analyzed it, that it was going to happen. That's exactly what happened. So, okay, look at NASDAQ. Same thing like gold. It's doing the same thing that gold is doing. And trust me, NASDAQ is going to continue upwards. Wait for NASDAQ. We're going to see NASDAQ get all the way up to 15292.08. That's the target for NASDAQ. So with that tight stop, you can get that move all the way to that place. That's the level we're looking at for NASDAQ. NASDAQ has already, it's going to take out all these highs. Gold, same thing. Euro USD, same thing. This is awesome, guys. Look at it. Euro USD have already taken out the weekly high. So now it's game over. It's just continue bullish. So if Euro USD should take out this strong level at 1.09300, 1.09300, then there's a high possibility that we might even hit all the way up to 1.09760, because that's the next resistance. So that's it, guys. That's it. Wow. You can see it. It's on fire. It's exploding to the upside. Crazy, very crazy, guys. This exactly the way I anticipated it. The way I anticipated it. Everything. Look at it. Just hit our take profit right now. So we want to see how far. If you break above this level, if Euro USD should break above this level, then we should continue all the way up to 1.09762. These are the levels that I'm looking at on Euro USD. The same way, exactly the way I predicted it, everything happened. Everything the same way I predicted it, everything happened. They set up gold as if it was going to drop. No, but I saw the movement, I saw the behavior of price, and in correlation with the whole with other pairs, I knew that no, it's not going that way. It's not. Look at the currency strength meter. Look at it. The USD is already so weak, and all these other pairs, they are picking up a momentum so strong. They're picking up strong momentum. So right now, what I'm waiting for is to get a pullback, and then I want to get in. Basically, I like to trade at the beginning of new hour. You don't understand this concept. You have to be a part of our community to understand this concept. You have to be a part of our community to understand this concept. So I like to find an entry at the beginning of new hour, but trust me, it's just all bullish. It's all bullish. It's on fire. It's all bullish. So gold is definitely going to hit this take profit at 1933.47. Gold is definitely going there. That particular level is confirmed that we're going to see gold hit that level. So it's only a matter of time. Euro USD, can you see Euro USD is on fire? Oh my lord, it's on fire right now. Euro USD is on fire, just like I predicted it. Everything happened the same way I predicted it. I'm so glad. So Euro USD have already hit that level. So I want to find an entry. Finding an entry is the next thing. Right now we've seen the initial behavior. Are we going to see that reversal? Are we likely going to see a reversal? That's the question. That's the $1 million question. Are we going to see a reversal? Are we going to see a reversal? That's the $1 million question. Are we going to see a reversal, or we're going to continue bullishly? So time will tell. I want to see. You see what's happening on gold. Gold is actually dropping. I've already taken out everybody. Okay. Yeah, this is one of the reasons why I don't trade the news release. Immediately the news is released, I'll stay away from the market. The reason is because of what is happening right now. It's out of experience. So what you see right now happening on the chart right now is what normally happens when there's huge volatility in the market. The market is running very crazy. I can't hold that with my money, I can't hold that particular one. If you enjoy my stream, just give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Can you give me a reaction there? That's what I want. So now that it have been taken out, I think it's going to continue bullishly, really. Yeah, from experience, guys. I'm speaking from experience. I think it's going to continue bullish. But I'm looking at the currency strength meter. The USD is so weak. It's not even shaking. So there's no indication that anything is going to happen anytime soon. So we continue to bet on the bullish side. That we're going to continue bullishly. Forget about this. It's just the things you're seeing right now. It's just they're just dealing with people. They're just dealing with people. They're just dealing with traders right now. So because a lot of people actually tried to catch that initial explosion, so now they're going to drop the market very aggressively, and people are going to take a hit. So people are taking a hit right now. That's what's happening. That's what's up. So we're going to find a good entry. We're going to find a good entry. So I'm trying to find an entry. I have entry criteria really. So there's a timing factor to it, and there's a setup to it too. So that's it. So I want to see the next candle that's going to come. When it will come, then we'll see. But for real, this market is actually going to continue up. Yeah, we're going to continue bullish. So the market have actually dropped in momentum now. People who did not take quick profit are going to get stuck. because they are going to have to hold it in a drawdown, than those that are impatient are going to close it in a loss. That's exactly what they do. It is out of experience, guys. This is out of experience. So they're going to hold it, and those who did not take profit are going to be in a loss. Right? They're going to be in a loss. That means they're going to hold in a negative drawdown. You know, many people took this trade in the middle. So now the market have actually dropped below that level, and people are not going to be able to hold that loss. So a lot of them are going to close the trade out of panic. But the market is going to continue bullishly. That's the truth. It's going to continue upward. It's not going anywhere. It's not going down. You can bet it. I can bet on it that it's not going down. It's going to continue up, because I'm looking at the currency strength meter right now. The USD is so weak, so flat. There's nothing happening there. Okay, you understand? So invite your friends to the stream. Invite everyone to the stream. Hopefully, we're going to do this on a more regular basis to help a lot of traders, coach traders, give traders signal, inspire traders, and show them the right way to do it. So this is what they're doing right now. If this is to a lot of traders are panicking right now. See, they dropped it so much, so they're going to hold it there for a long time. And a lot of traders are going to be like, wow. A lot of traders are going to be like, wow, I can't hold this. It's a lot of losses I'm taking. So it's good if you want to take that initial explosion. Once you take it and you pick some profit, you get out immediately. If you hold it, then you go for the market to go back to that price again. It's going to take up to the open of New York session, New York equity open, before we see that activity resume again. Right now we're going to sleep mode. We're going to sleep mode right now. So if you're taking the trade, you're going to have to hold it until this trade. If you're already in this trade, there's no need to closing the trade, really. If you're already in this trade, no need to close. Just hold it. Just hold it. You see what gold is doing right now? It's not looking good at all. It's not looking good at all. This is the reason why I don't trade the release of the first news. It's usually not from me. I don't trade it. This is why I don't trade the release of the first news, because wow, I'm tired, man. I thought that I had to do a class before streaming live. It's kind of stressful, you know. It's fine. Do it for the people. We're back and better right now, guys. Very much back and better. So I'll be back, guys. We have a lot of waiting to do, so we ain't going nowhere. We have to wait a little bit, you know. So guys, I'm back. So thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. So guys, I am back. So if you enjoy my stream, please give me a reaction. I like it. Give me a comment. So I predicted this was going to happen, and this is exactly what happened. So so hopefully we're going to continue this move to the upside, because at the new hour we want to see if we're going to see any changes in the currency strength meter. But so far there's no changes, so there's a high possibility that we're going to continue our bullish movement. So I haven't been streaming for a very long time, but hopefully I'll be trying to come around to do this more often. I remember in the past when I stream, a lot of people benefit from my stream. A lot of people catch good moves, good setups, and I'm going to do that again. I promise. I'm going to try as much as I can to come and stream occasionally, so that people can always benefit from my stream. So this is basically going to continue bullish, because the currency strength meter is so weak right now. The dollar in the currency strength meter is so weak right now, so there's no activity, basically no activity is happening there, which is a great indication that we're going to continue bullishly. However, pairs like gold is going to take off, but right now it's not doing that, because a lot of people are trapped below their entry price, so, and they don't want to release those people. That is why they're holding the market down. And then those people who are trapped, they don't have a choice than to close in a loss, so they have to close their position in a loss. So but if you are already in a position, I'll advise you to hold on to your position, because it's going to fly. At the New York Open, it's going to fly, trust me. It's going to fly, so relax. If you are in a position already, it's going to fly. Do not be discouraged. So it's going to continue bullish, because from everything that I can see, there's no reason for us not to continue bullish, and the momentum is there, so there's no problem. So let us see what's happening with Nasdaq. If you have any pair you want me to look out for you, I can look it out for you, so no problem. If you have any pair you want me to look out for you, I can look it up for you. So see, Nasdaq is looking very, very crazy right now, but I can assure you that this is the reason why I don't trade the news release. This is the reason why I don't trade the news release. They're going to trap people down there until people are going to be forced to close their position in a loss. A lot of people are going to close their position in a loss, and then the market is going to move in your direction, and then you're going to regret it. I say, oh, I closed it and it moved in my direction. This happens every single time. This shit happens every time. So So we're still bullish. I know it's difficult to hold a position like this and then negative drawdown. For people who took it, I'm still positive that we're going to continue bullish. Very, very positive. So, but if you, a lot of people are going to be scared and they're going to close their position. Trust me. I've seen it happen over and over again. So just be patient. In a short time, it's gonna move. I think at New York Equity Open in the next 30 minutes, we are likely supposed to see. We are going to see some real movements. Okay, let us see what's happening with the currency trend meter. This is just a fake out. The USD is not picking up any momentum. Nothing is happening there. It's part of the manipulations we see in this business. Part of the manipulation. But if you're already in this position, in this trade, and you're in a negative drawdown, I still believe that we're going to continue bullish, because I'm not seeing any sign that the USD is picking up strength. I'm not seeing any sign. So I think it's just a manipulation. Now they're triggering people to sell into this market because they're going to go long. They're going to go bullish and they're triggering people to sell into this market. If you sell into this market, there's a high possibility that you're going to get chopped off, because I don't see it going down. That's the truth. Might look like it, but I don't see it going down, really. I don't see it selling. The USD does not even have any energy. It has no strength, so I don't see it going down. But this might just be a fake out to trigger people to sell in before they move bullish. You remember, this is a new 4-hour candle. Remember, guys, this is a new 4-hour candle. Wow, you see that? It is reacting to a moving average on the 4 hours. Wow. It is reacting to a moving average on the 4 hours. But if you break below that range, then we might consider going bearish. But right now, I still do not believe that we are going bullish. We are going bearish, sorry. I'm still very bullish on this one. I'm still very bullish on this one. This is the reason why I didn't take the trade. I didn't enter this market, because I have seen this happen over and over again. So I stay away. Okay, now if we break below this range, then there's a possibility that we should be looking for sales now. But I doubt if it's going to break. But I think Nasdaq is going to be bearish. Yeah, Nasdaq is looking very bearish right now. So Nasdaq is looking very bearish right now. So I see this. If Nasdaq break below that range, then there's a high possibility that we're going to continue down. But gold is not going down. Gold is bullish. Euro USD is bullish. But even Nasdaq is bullish. But we'll see. So this is my analysis for Nasdaq based on the new developments, but I don't see Nasdaq going bearish. So I'm still very bullish on Nasdaq. I'll still hold it all the way up. You know one good thing about Nasdaq, when it moves, it explodes. With a very tight stop, will pick up that move on Nasdaq. So during New York Open, I'm going to take my own trade. I'm going to get into this market. And let's see how much we can make from this market. Let's see what we can get. I don't see the possibility of Nasdaq going bearish. It was only a fake out. It's a new 4-hour candle, but there was a strong moving average. It was reacting to it. Okay, it was good. I was reacting to a moving average, but I see it going bullish. It's just a clear breakout trade. So the truth is that we have to break out in one direction at some point. Yeah, whichever direction we break out, that's what it is. And during New York session, New York Open, New York Equity Open, we are going to break out. I don't believe that we'll see. So I'm still watching Nasdaq. Nasdaq is uncertain, but gold and Euro USD, I'm certain. That's so this is my analysis for now. Wow, do you see the manipulations today? Very crazy. So we're very positive. Okay, Nasdaq is selling into the range, but is it advisable to sell right now? I think I'm looking to take a sell on Nasdaq. You see what's happening? It's a new 4-hour candle, so we have to be very, very careful. I'm still very bullish. My overall analysis is still bullish. So I'm looking for opportunity to go long, and I think Euro USD just hit a support. Just found a support. Now there's a remaining one piece of the puzzle. Timing. going to be looking for trading opportunities. I told you that it was all a fake out. Yeah, now we're setting up for the real move. So I'm going to be looking for trading opportunities right now. Now we're getting ready for the real move. So we are setting up for the real move. So now I'm going to be looking for opportunities to get in right now. So, and for me to get in, I usually get in. Okay, like I said, we're back. So we're going to be looking for trading opportunities. So it's all about the timing is very important. The timing determines what happens in the trade. Okay, gold is setting up for that explosive move. So once gold goes above 1920, I'm going to start putting in some positions there. Okay guys, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start taking some position immediately goes above 1920. So it's there right now. I want it to break above 1920. To break above 1920, I will start putting in some positions. It's all about patience, guys. It's all about patience. This business requires a lot of patience. So I'm waiting for gold to Euro USD 2. I'm going to take a trade on Euro USD. So, but I'm waiting for Nasdaq 2. I'm going to take a trade on Nasdaq. In fact, I'm not going to take a Euro USD. I'm going to take gold and Nasdaq. They have good setup. I like what I'm seeing. So I will take both of them. So that's what I'm going to do, right? I'm waiting gold and Nasdaq. So once they break above that level, I will start putting in some position into the market. So we're going to wait for this market to set up. Timing is very important in this business, okay guys? You must know how to wait for the right time. So we're waiting for the right time for the market to set up so that we can actually be able to make some money immediately we get in there. Once we take the trade, we want the trade to quickly move in the direction we want it to move, so we don't have to wait and then be in negative drawdown. So Nasdaq must have to break above that range. If we break above that range, then we'll be able to take that buy, and then we are hoping to ride it all the way up till 15300. That's our target, 15300 for Nasdaq. Okay, gold is trying to break the range right now, so we're going to take that trade right now. It's trying to break it. We just need a little bit of movement above, confirmation that it's really going to break it for real and it's not a fake out. Okay, gold is looking good. So I've taken the position on gold right now, and I'm taking my position on gold, and right now I'm already in profit. Like I said, we want to take the trade and be in profit immediately. So let's hold it and see how it goes. So you take the trade, your stops goes below the candle, the previous candle, below the previous candle. So I already take my position on gold right now. I'm going to take the second one on Nasdaq. If you want to trade with me, this is how we roll in Millionaires FX, guys. Waiting for the right time is very important. If you want to take risk-free trades, you must learn to wait for the right time. Okay? So that's exactly what I just did. I didn't take any trade since, because I know that the good trade will come at last. Okay, the good trade will always come at last, so there's no need rushing. There's no need to rush, guys. I know that the good trade will come at last, so that's why I waited I waited until that minute when the good trade will come. So right now I'm already in profit. I just took this, opened the position now. I'm already in profit. So I look forward to it continuing bullishly. If it goes against me, I'm going to have to close it with a small loss. But right now, it's going well, so no problem. I will leave it. I'm holding it. So that's it, guys. So that's the first position. I'm going to take one more position on Nasdaq. So I'm holding it, and I'm checking to see what's happening. Okay, it's dropping right now. Oh, okay. So I'm holding it. I'm very, very bullish. So the trade is going right so far. It's going well. So Nasdaq is setting up for that explosive move. If you want to trade Nasdaq, this is the right time for you. We are about to break above the range right now. Once we break above the range, it is game over. This is how we put it. This is how we do it in Millionaires FX. Millionaires FX is your sure plug when it comes to forex trading, guys. You do it right. So Nasdaq is setting up nicely for that explosive move. I just need a little bit of movement above the structure. It have broken above the level, but I just need a little bit movement above the structure so that I want more confirmation, before I get it. If you like this broadcast, please subscribe to our channel and join our free Telegram link where I share trading information and signals with traders. So I'm taking this trade. I'm taking another position on Nasdaq right now. Nasdaq have established a strong. So I just take the second position on Nasdaq and let's allow this trade to run and see how it goes. So if you do it right, you have zero floats. That's one of the advantages of being patient. So we're already in profit, so we allow the profit to run. So it's all about timing. I'm already in profit right now. As you can see, it's already running in good profit right now, and it's good. So this is good, guys. So now we broke the high on the previous candle and we are moving right now, so it's good. Okay, Nasdaq is actually dropping heavily and might take me out. I'm not adjusting my stop. I'm holding it in the same position. If it takes me out, so be it. Maybe I'll do a second try, but I do not think that Nasdaq will take me out. I do not want Nasdaq to take me out. Oh, Nasdaq is about to take me out, guys. So about to take me out of my position. So in the next 1 minute, okay, it didn't take me out, and let we'll see if it's going to take me out or not. It's going to continue upwards. Okay, Nasdaq took me out, so that's it, guys. It broke out of the range and broke back inside the range. So these things happen sometimes. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna get the second time, and then we're gonna get it again. We try the second time and we'll get it right. It's okay. But gold is looking good so far. Gold is in profit. Okay, what is Nasdaq? Nasdaq is looking like it's bearish. Or what is happening here? Okay, I think it is setting up. Okay, we'll see what is planning. You know that the most powerful force is patience. If you are patient, you win definitely almost every trade. So we are patient, we are waiting. We'll see what Nasdaq is planning to do. Nasdaq is looking like it is switching to bearish, really. Like it's switching to bearish. Yeah, gold is looking so good right now. Oh my lord, gold is looking so good, guys. If you took that trade with me on gold right there, you should be in good profit right now. I am smiling right now. Gold is looking good. So we're waiting on Nasdaq. We're going to get Nasdaq too. Gold is looking so good, guys, so good right now. Oh, this is nice, this is good. Gold is looking so good, guys, so good. So I added another position to gold because I get another confirmation that it's going to continue upwards. So I added the second position to gold. So it's all good and now it's in good profit. So this is awesome. To just continue like that. So we're waiting for Nasdaq, guys, to set up nicely. Nasdaq is looking very bearish right now, but we don't know. It's still in the range anyway, so we can't say what's going to happen. So you can see that gold is already in good profit. Two positions all in good profit right now. This is how we trade in Millionaires FS, guys. It's okay. Nasdaq is coming back up, so I'll wait for it to break above that range again, and then we'll give it a second try. This time around, I'm sure we're going to be right. Okay. I opened the first position on Nasdaq. I'm trying to be careful. If it doesn't go my way, I'm going to close it. Nasdaq again. I closed the position I opened on Nasdaq is breaking back into the range. Wow, Nasdaq is really dealing with me today. I think we're going to go bearish on Nasdaq. Yeah. Nasdaq is going to go bearish. It's setting up for a bearish move. But gold is looking so good, so good. So our TP is 1933.36. That's the level we are looking at. I'll set my take profit. Okay, I said it that Nasdaq is going to sell. So I think we're going to take a sell on Nasdaq if you break below the range. We're waiting for Nasdaq to break below the range, and then that's it. If you break below in any of the range, we're going to take that entry. So we are waiting for Nasdaq. Whichever way it breaks below, we take the sell. Break above, we take the buy. So we are holding gold. We set our take profit, and then we are patiently waiting. Okay, Nasdaq is coming back again. It's looking like it's setting up for a bullish move again. So our job is to wait. So the breakout on Nasdaq is probably going to happen at the beginning of the new hour. That's one of the secrets of breakouts. If you want to know more about it, you're going to have to join our free Telegram group. If you know about the timing, market timing, that's when this breakout is likely going to happen, from what I can see here. So gold ain't looking bad right now. So but Nasdaq is like probably going to break out at the beginning of a new hour. It's going to be very aggressive breakout because it has taken so much time in this consolidation. But gold is looking so good right now, very good. Gold is looking so good, guys. So we're in good profit in gold. Let's see how much. Okay. We're in $600 in gold profit, and we're still going. So when we hit yesterday's high, I'm going to close partial, going to take partial profit at 1927. So I have two positions. When we hit yesterday's high, I'm going to close one position and I'm going to hold the other one until we hit our take profit. So I'm going to close one position in profit immediately we hit 1927. Okay, guys. So for those that are trading with me, so Euro USD is picking up momentum again. It's picking up momentum to finish up the move. I started earlier, so but I'm not interested in Euro USD. I like to trade very volatile pairs. So we keep waiting to see. Oh, gold is on fire now, guys. If you're too good, you should be good right now. Gold is on fire right now, guys. Very, very on fire. So at the beginning of the new hour, we're going to be looking for that entry on Nasdaq. That's going to be the last one. I like to trade very volatile pair, guys. So gold is on fire, guys. Crazily in profit right now. I'm up $600 and counting on gold while I'm waiting for Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is almost ready. Let us see if that breakout is going to happen this time around. So I'm going to be taking it. I'm going to allow it to really show that it's really ready to break out this time. It already caught me in a fake out. So at this time around, I'm going to allow it to come up a little bit to ensure that it's not a fake out. And it's going to be at the beginning of a new hour. So right now I'm not going to take it even if it continues now. Okay, Nasdaq is coming around right now. I'm up $700 and counting. $800 right now on gold. 800 in profits. 900 in profits. So, oh, $900 in profits. $1,000 in profits. I've closed 50% of my trade. I've closed one position of my trade. I told you once we hit the level, I'm going to close partials. I just did that right now, guys. So Nasdaq, I'm going to take a trade on Nasdaq right now. So I'm taking the first position on Nasdaq. So I've taken the position on Nasdaq now. So I actually want to take two positions. I want to see how the first one goes. So gold, I've already hit TP1, so I do not want to rush it, but gold I've hit TP1, so I'm going to hold it until we hit the final. Nasdaq is still messing around with me, guys. Still messing around with me. Nasdaq is still fucking around with me, guys. So now I'm in profit in Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq is looking good now, guys. So I expect that move to begin. I already took my entry somewhere here. So and I'm expecting it to continue up. Took my entry somewhere here. I want to see it continue. Nasdaq is fucking around again, guys. What the fuck is really happening to Nasdaq today? Nasdaq is really fucking around, but it's good. He's gonna play ball soon. So the reason why I closed my position at immediately we hit yesterday high was because I knew that they are actually going to go after those people who jump into that buy. So they're going to go after them. So but Nasdaq at last is beginning to make some movement. Let's see. So I'm in profit in Nasdaq. I already opened one position. I'm going to add another position to it so that I can easily recover the small loss I took on Nasdaq and then be in profit. So I'm going to take another position on Nasdaq as I get more confirmation that it is really ready to move. I don't have a confirmation yet, so I'm going to take the second position at the beginning of the new hour. That's when I'm going to take the next position. If you enjoyed this stream, please give me a reaction. Join our Telegram group, our free Telegram, if you want to learn more about how I trade. Okay guys, so this is how we roll. So I want to add another position on Nasdaq. I was actually waiting to see. I wanted to Okay, I'm gonna end the stream while I continue my trading. So you know the targets. Kind of getting tired right now. You know the target, so you know what to do. Just hold it until we hit the targets. So I'm adding another position to the Nasdaq trade now because it's the beginning of a new hour. I anticipate a move right now. That's why I'm adding more position to my position. So, and I'm going to hold it together. I believe that it's going to continue down. It's going to continue up, really. So the last position I added on Nasdaq is not because it's not from the analysis. Is because of the timing. Another concept that I use for my entry. So if it works, that means so now you can see we are all is looking good. All the positions are looking good in good profits. So my trade is still running in profit. I'm gonna hold it until we hit the take profits. So guys, I'll see you on Monday. I hope you enjoy your weekend. Have a nice weekend, guys. It was a very long one.